Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the X-Sense brand, their wireless interconnected combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector alarms. Each one has an LCD display. They have an internal 10-year long-lasting battery. Each one of these will transmit to another one within 820-foot range, and this is a pack of 6. So once you turn these on, they're going to be synchronized so that if one goes off, then they all go off. Comes with an instruction booklet and these labels that you could put on the wall by each unit. You have emergency information, phone numbers to call, and steps to follow if the alarm goes off. It has the holders that will hold these units on the wall. There's 6 of those for all the units, and 6 pieces of mounting hardware. Now the way this works is there is an indent specific right there to the unit, and when you put this unit in there, there is a switch that gets thrown. Once that gets thrown, then the unit is on, and then you can go through the process of synchronizing them. They might be already synchronized, we're going to find out. So we're going to go through the manual and see that. So what's nice is that you'll be able to hear the alarm from anywhere. If it detects carbon dioxide or smoke, it will go off and it will alert you regardless of where these are. So you could effectively have these 800 feet apart, each one of these, 8, 16, 2400. So these could be throughout your house, which is really nice. It's wide coverage for full home protection. You could really link up to 24 if these you want. They have the process for linking up more of them in here. So this is a combination alarm. It actually has a photoelectric smoke sensor inside there and a carbon dioxide sensor with a display that's going to let you know what's going on. And there's that 10-year lithium battery, and it will actually tell you the battery status, and it'll alert you if it comes past 9 years. It'll alert you that it's time to change the batteries. So that's an informative display that has CO levels also, and it has a range of 30 to 99 on that display. So once you rotate this in the slot, it only goes one way. The unit will come on, and you can see the display right there, and it's showing that there's 0 parts per million of carbon monoxide, and there is a little power indicator right there. So right now, as an example, I have 2 of the units on. You can see the displays right there. So now 2 of these are on. As you can see, as I demonstrated, the manual says how to interconnect. Quickly press the test silence button on one of the 2 units 4 times. It will be beep once and the LED will flash red. So let's go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I see that it's blinking red. So now it's entered in pairing mode, is waiting for a new unit to be added. Quickly press the test silence button on the other unit twice. It will beep once and the LED will flash rapidly. So now we're going to do the other unit and twice. We're going to hit this button twice on this one right here. So now it looks like these 2 are now synchronized. So let's see if we can run a test on this one here. Make sure you follow the manual. They talk about the location of where to put these on the ceiling or on a wall. They give the distances and what's appropriate to have these work correctly. And now these both are going. So what that's actually doing is it's actually testing the internal electronics. You don't really need to test with smoke or with carbon monoxide. It's actually testing the circuitry in both of these, and then it's allowing them to be synchronized so that you know that they're functional. And that's nice. You could run a test like that once every week if you want. Now I got these synchronized, I want to synchronize another alarm. So I'm going to take the new alarm, I'm going to put it in the holder till it lines up, turn to the right, and then it comes on the display. Now we're going to set that right there. We're going to take one of these alarms right here. The manual says, quickly press the test silence button on either of the 2 previously 4 times. then it beeps like that. And it says, now quickly press the test silence button on the new unit twice. And there you go. Now this one is synchronized up. Now all 6 of these should be synchronized, and let's do a test here. There you go, they all went off, and these could be 820 feet apart, and they would interconnect perfectly just like that. So here I'm in my hallway, and that's the smoke detector that came with the house, and that doesn't detect carbon monoxide. So I'm going to install one right here, and I use the mounting hardware that came with it, and the rest are going to be throughout my house. And there you go, I just installed it, just lined it up and turned it clockwise, and now I'm protected in my basement for smoke and carbon monoxide. So here I'm in my dining room, and I mounted the mount right there, and I kept it 12 inches from the ceiling, and it's away from the wall, over 25 inches, what they recommend. So here it is, all installed and ready for operation. These are nice units. They seem to have a very nice quality. They're very loud. I like the fact that it has the dual alarm in there with the display. You never can go wrong because you can see the amount of carbon monoxide. The range right there is going to be shown. So if all of a sudden you're running your fireplace and you have wet wood, you don't realize it, or there's something wrong with your furnace, this is going to start to rise. And if you don't detect that, it's going to trigger the alarm, and all these are going to go off, letting you know that your carbon monoxide is high. Same thing with smoke or fire. You got a fire going, you don't know it. This thing detects the smoke and then triggers all of these. And because they can be spaced so far, this could work in a really large house. This is a really cool product. I'm impressed with the quality of it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.